Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad Sangma habakren ba kinong Thaw kubor hadien ka cabinet meeting ula pentip baha ka Jylla ka Sorkar kalaray ban Thaw ya ka sel ka Kyrpang Jong ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act hapo katanat kampo yeng Jong ka ban Ïarap ya ki Kynhun 3 months ngobha bat ki jaka puli ki badon hagathan hak bayade bat ka jing penrong kerteng bat ban pentamai Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad ke Sangma udah banjur bagani ka jing temu ka bala pentrai kam ban ya trai lang bat ka Sorkar pedeng ka temu ban penbet iki jing ha ka jing trai kam ha ka jaka haslong tura bat jawai ban pendu no ka jing don kam jong ki jaka pule ban let Delhi habakot iki seng san perthai ban ya kren halor ka san perthai henry shajrong shushu Menteri Rangba ula kentu ya ka jinge trailang hak bayde baki kendon jinge rapisa na barri da kaba ya da ya katna traikam Jong ka Jylla ka bakarshan ya ki nong shong shong.
I would like to inform you that the Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an Fcra cell within the Home Department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This, of course, will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jowai, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination, we are seeking the support of Government of India, and just I can tell you without giving too much of details that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary, and we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an Fcra cell within the Home Department, in the state government, in different locations where if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their Fcra license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India are there when it comes to monitoring and regulating foreign currency, which is a natural procedure that happens throughout the world. But while the procedure to monitor and regulate foreign currency happens, our people should not suffer in terms of them being, facing difficulty and challenges or their assets being seized. So to strike the balance between these two needs is really the need of the hour. And that's what we're working towards, to find a mechanism for regulation, yet not harassing or affecting or damaging our institutions and our organizations which are here helping and working for the poor people of our state.